Hello again, everyone. Um, Recently I've noticed that I've taken a look to a lot of QKC IEMs and all of that. So today we're going to take a look at the Moxpad X9. So let's check them out. Before we get started with the review and unboxing of the unboxing and review of the Moxpad X9, I have a little bit of a channel update. So if you want to skip it, I will have the timestamp right here, so you don't have to hear all of this. But as you can see, I have new channel art. It was done by my girlfriend. She's a really good artist. I will have links to her Twitter and Instagram if you want to follow her and commission her, a drawing and all of that. And also, you might have noticed that I have a Ko-fi. Ko-fi is kind of like a Patreon thing, but it's more of a, let's say, donation platform. So if you like my videos and if you want to support me financially, you can do it through Ko-fi. It's just a one-time donation. You don't have to subscribe or anything. So I'm not saying that go and do it. No, it's just if you like my videos and you want to support it, because really this coronavirus thing it's been really hard. I'm doing these videos just for fun, but I mean, if I can get money to help my parents and my girlfriend, that would be much appreciated. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. So let's proceed with the unboxing of the Moxpad X9. Like I said, as you can see, it just came in this little plastic. I thought this would come in like a little box or something like that, like standard IEMs, but no. Okay. Oh, this is a nice little carrying case. I like this. It has this little piece of, I don't know, string. Okay, let's open it. Ta-da! So first we have the, oh look, it comes with memory ear tips. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'll check this later. Here we have the bots themselves. Ooh, I like the design. Yeah, very geometrical. I don't know, they are lightweight. They thought it would be, more like heavy. And now for the cable. Oh, it's nice. Okay, let me untangle it. Okay, there we go. So as you can see here, we have MMCX connector. We don't have preformed memory ear hooks, which is a shame. We have here a microphone. Oh, doesn't want to focus, but yeah, microphone. We come further down. A very nice fork. I like it. Seems very resistant. It has another one of these things. Okay, I like the braiding. I mean, it feels really reassuring. And finally, a weird kind of plug. It's like in an angle. It's very reminiscent of the QKC DM7. But I mean, that's it. It didn't come with much. So I would spend the next days or week with the Moxpad X9 as my daily driver, and I will come with the results. Thank you, me from the past. So yeah, as you might have noticed, I filmed that unboxing quite a few time ago. It was before the whole pandemic thing. So yeah, I've had a lot of time to try this in depth. So let's start. And let's start with the most important thing, which is audio quality. So the Moxpad X9 are a dual dynamic driver IEM. It has a 9.2mm driver and a 7mm driver, I think. I can't remember, but yeah, you have two dynamic drivers here. So as you can imagine, bass is really good. But let's start with, in order. So For the highs, I would say that they are okay for the price, you know. It's nothing stellar. They are well balanced, well bodied, well extended actually. I mean, I wasn't expecting it. They can be a little thin feeling, you know, because of the boominess of the dual dynamic driver. But yeah, actually for the price, the highs are really good. Again, I wasn't expecting that level of micro detail in the highs, but again, it's not like super good micro detail. It's just, you know, acceptable. The mids are actually the biggest surprise of these IEMs. The mids are really, you know, present in the mix. They don't feel recessed. They are actually super well bodied. One thing that I noticed is that male vocals feel recessed, well, while female vocals feel a little bit more forward in the mix. Also, there is a good level of detail, some micro detail here and there in some songs. I wasn't expecting this level of detail in this price and in this quality, which I will talk later. Now for the start of the show. I swear to God, I don't, you know, I don't do this on purpose. I always get bass head IEMs without knowing. But yeah, the bass is super good on this. I mean, I'm in love with the bass. It's boomy, it's thumpy, it's detailed. Although a bit overwhelming, but you can fix that with an EQ if you really want. But yeah, I was saying, the bass is really good. I think that is a strong suit of this. It feels where it should be. I don't know how to say it, how to phrase it, but you know, it feels in the back but not recessed, which is something that you don't see in these budget IEMs. And for being a dual dynamic driver configuration, you would think that the bass is very overpowering, but I don't think that is super overpowering. Again, it's really surprising, you know. It's detailed but basic. I was a little bit scared because there isn't a lot of reviews about these IEMs, so I was just going blindfolded and hoping for the best, and well, they are surprisingly good actually. Now that is out of the way, let's talk about my least favorite thing, which is build quality. Talking about the little carrying case, it is actually really good, you know. It's super decent. It's of a hard kind of material. I really like this red accent that it has. I still don't know what this little thing is. If you open it, you know, you have some depth, not the greatest, but again, this material is really good. You have a little mesh, so you can put, you know, I always put a silica gel, so my IEMs don't corrode and all of that. You can also put more ear tips or whatever you want to put here. So yeah, the carrying case is really good. Talking about the IEM itself, it has a weird shape. I mean, I really like it, but after using it for a while, it is not the most ergonomic thing out there. It surely is a really unique design and it really looks cool, but when you put it in your ear, this part in particular is not really ideal. It's not ergonomic, as I said. It really hurts your ear after a while, and your little vent, I don't know how to call it, for, you know, air to come out, because it is a double dynamic driver. Now for the cable, at first I really like how it felt. It's really good. It has a braiding, and also it has like a plastic protection on top of the braiding, so it's really sturdy. It feels really reassuring. But I think that I wouldn't mind this kind of deal, but I hate it. I hate this kind of memory hair hook that you have to make. Oh, sorry, I bumped the camera. Yeah, it's not the greatest. I mean, I hate this. Also, another thing that I don't like about this cable is that it likes to keep its form. Yeah, I I recommend you to not store it as tight, because look at this. This is just yeah, I don't like the cable just for this. No, it might seem like I'm nitpicking, but yeah, this is really uncomfortable. Talking about uncomfortable, my god, these are the worst memory foam, excuse me, memory foam ear tips that I use. These aren't even memory foam. They are hard, they don't keep it, like, they don't deform like a memory foam tip should do. Yeah, if you like them, that's okay. I personally hate them, you know. They are no, I don't like them. There is nothing good to say about these ear tips. They are hard, they are super hard. The silicone here is really, I don't know how to say it, it's just hard. It feels more like plastic than silicone. If you have other ear tips, use them. These aren't by any chance good, no. And if you are really observant, I'm using the Starlight ear tips that came with my CSM Pros, and here, let's see the difference in the course. Yeah, as you can see, this is super thin, super comfortable, and this is super thick. Yeah, I don't use other ear tips, believe me, you are going to be grateful. Final thoughts on the Moxpad X9. I mean, if you're looking for a budget pair of IEMs that has MMCX connector, go for them. The sound is actually surprisingly good. The highs are detailed, the mids are super detailed actually, and the bass is, you know, the main attraction of this. So yeah, if you are a bass head, go for them, but I would recommend you to get another cable. I mean, this cable is bad just because it likes to keep its shape and because it doesn't have preformed ear hooks. Yeah, I mean, call it nitpicking, but yeah, I don't like dealing with this. Also, you get a nice carrying case. The silica is not included. So yeah guys, that would be pretty much it. As always, I will have links in my description if you are interested in buying this. There are a lot of shops that sell them. I will also link Moxpad, you know, I will have this link in the description if you want to buy them from their store. But yeah, we have Aliexpress links and all of that. And also I will try to look for a link for a better cable with an MMCX connector. And yeah guys, as always, if you like this video, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, feedback and all of that. And I'll see you in my next review. Bye.